Ganun po ka-importante yung risk structure sa trading. Kailangan po meron kang risk control. Ano yung mga pwede mong gawin in case the market goes against you? Una, stop loss. This is very common. Put SL. Yan. That's very common. Ginawa ko na rin po yan. Second, you do your layering or DCA. Ito, mas common ko nang ginagawa ngayon. Layering or DCA. Third is hedge. If hindi mo na talaga maintindihan, you hedge it. Okay? I seldom use hedge. Usually, hanggang doon lang ako sa option 2. Ngayon, ang nangyayari sa'yo, if you are over-leverage, meaning to say, ang laki ng tinalpak mo, you don't have the second and third option. Ang matitira sa yung option is yung first option lang. Stop loss ka lang. Laki ng talpak mo eh. Kakabahan ka pag nag-dive yung market. Stop loss. Okay, nothing wrong. Kung yun yung strategy mo and you are profitable consistently using that strategy. Okay? Diba? You are profitable using that strategy. Nothing wrong. Pero tayo, tatlo nga yung ginawa natin na risk structure based on our TIPI system.